Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to add a payment method on Shopify. So let's dive right in. First things first, Shopify offers its own built-in payment processing solution called Shopify Payments. This is a convenient option as it integrates seamlessly with your store. However, it might not be available in all regions. If Shopify Payments isn't an option, or you want to offer additional choices, you can activate various third-party payment gateways through the Shopify App Store. These gateways connect your store to popular services like PayPal, Stripe, or even cryptocurrencies. So, visit your Shopify store. Here in your Shopify store, look for the Settings section, which is usually found on the left-hand side menu of your admin panel. Clicking on Settings will reveal a drop-down menu. Within that menu, find Payments and click on it. This will take you to the Payment Settings page for your store. On the Payments page, look for a section labeled Shopify Payments. Within this section, you should see a button that allows you to activate Shopify Payments. This button indicates you haven't fully set up Shopify Payments yet. Clicking it will initiate a guided process to connect your bank account and finalize the activation. Now let's see how you can use third-party payment methods. Here in Payments, look for a button within the Supported Payment Methods section that says Add Payment Methods. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can search for additional payment options. Above you, you'll find a search bar where you can type the name of a specific payment method, for example, PayPal, or browse through a list of available providers. Choose the payment gateway you want to add to your store. Once you've chosen the desired provider, click the Install button. This will initiate the activation process for that specific payment method. Activating a third-party gateway might redirect you to the provider's app within the Shopify interface. There, you might need to create an account with the provider if you don't have one already, or connect your existing account with them. Follow the specific instructions provided by the Payment Provider app to complete the setup. And there you have it. You have successfully learned about adding payment methods in Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.